Dr. Omer, Advanced Neurospinal Solutions. We're still on cranial nerve 10, the Polyvagal Theory. We're dealing now today with the first hybrid, which means we're putting two of those branches together, two of those systems together. And the first branch the first hybrid we're going to talk about is we tend to call it friendly competition. It's a hybrid because we're putting two of those systems together. We're going to put the sympathetic chain ganglion, that's what those letters mean, and we're going to put together with the ventral vagal branch. And so putting those two things together, you can imagine you get the fight or flight system, but you're getting an appropriate normalization, optimization of those skills in the sympathetic chain ganglion. You're going to make it appropriate for whatever it is that you're doing. It allows you to have friendly competition within the rules and without hurting somebody. And so that friendly competition tends to be able to exist. Those that can play in that, they tend to do best in those kind of environments. Those that tend to jack up and be more in fight or flight can go in and out of that, but they tend to go more into the fight or flight. Or there are those who tend to go from there into depressive states, and they're going out of the vasovagal tone. Imagine that muscle tone in here will not be too tight, it will be just right. Imagine that blood pressure will be just perfectly appropriate for whatever you're doing. Breathing rate will support everything that you're doing so that the muscles can be supple and responsive. And the emotions that you're experiencing is a playfulness in all of that. So that's the first permutation, the first hybrid. Tomorrow we'll talk about the second one. Thank you.